wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Hannah, and welcome back to Dream Again. Today kids, we're going to learn to count, and for you older kids, do a couple of counting exercises. So why don't we get started? Noah, it's your turn.
So let's start counting. Right there we have 4 purple blocks. 4, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you say that too? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 purple blocks. So up front here, we can do some more counting. These green blocks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's look at the red blocks. Okay, so right over there we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So now how about we do the orange ones? So those are a 4 block set. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, so we have 6 of a 4 block set. So do you see the yellow ones over there? The yellow ones, we only have 4 individual pieces. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Blue is my favorite color. I'm wearing a blue shirt, I have blue eyes, and those are the blue blocks. So let's count them, okay? Are you gonna help me? So let's start. Of the individual blocks right in the front, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, we've got 8 of them.
So not only did Noah teach us to count, but we also learned some colors. And now kids, an exercise you can do at home is you can, for example, count how many apples you have or how many nails and screws you have in your toolbox. You can help them create an inventory. But wait, Mikey, what's an inventory?
An inventory is a complete list of items such as property, goods in stock, or the contents of a building.
So, for example, I can create an inventory of all our fruit in our house?
Exactly.
Okay, you know what I'll do? I'll make an inventory of all the things I have in my room. If I look around, that could take a while. Why don't you see what Olivia's up to?
It's story time, and today the story we're reading is 3 Wishes. Once upon a time, there was a poor woodcutter who lived with his wife in a humble cottage. Humble means small, yeah. One day he said to himself, I work hard all day, but I never earn enough money to buy all the things we want. Aw, the woodcutter is sad, 'cause he doesn't have all the stuff. A beautiful fairy overheard him. She said to the woodcutter, I will grant you 3 wishes, but choose them carefully, as you may have no more than 3. Then, in a wink, the fairy disappeared. The woodcutter hurried home to tell his wife about their 3 wishes. His wife was very happy as she thought about all the things she would like to have. There were so many things that they wanted, they couldn't decide what to wish for. Let us think about it some more before we wish. So the woodcutter sat down to a bowl of soup for supper. Oh dear, he said, soup for supper again. How I wish I could have a nice fat sausage for a change. And And just like that, there was a nice fat sausage in his dish. His wife was furious. "Oh, look what you've done," she shouted. "You have wasted a wish on a foolish old sausage. How could you be so silly? Now we only have 2 wishes left." Oh no. She kept complaining and complaining until the woodcutter became so sick of hearing about the sausage that he shouted without thinking, "Oh, I wish that the sausage was stuck on the end of your nose." Oh no! And then there was a sausage stuck on the end of her nose. And lo and behold, the sausage jumped to the end of her nose and stuck. It stuck fast, which means it stuck for a long, long time, maybe forever. It's like really, really strong glue. Whoa, what are they gonna do? No one wants a sausage nose. "Now look what you've done," she cried. "You've wasted another wish. Get this sausage off my nose." They tried to pull the sausage off, but it would not come unstuck. They tried and tried and tried, and he tugged and yanked and pulled, and she said, "No, no, that hurts." Oh, well, oh, we still have one wish left. Oh, let's think about what to wish for. "What's there to think about?" cried the wife. "I can't go around with this sausage hanging from my nose. No, 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 that's not going to happen. I wish this sausage would go away." Boop! And abracadabra! In a wink, the sausage disappeared. And so, after their 3 wishes, the woodcutter and his wife were no better off than before. They didn't even get to eat the sausage for supper. "Dear, oh dear, dear, oh dear," said the woodcutter. "Ah, those wishes were not very good wishes." And the beautiful fairy reappeared, and the fairy said, "Do you know the point of my wishes?" The woodcutter said, "No, I thought the point of wishes was to get the stuff you want." And the fairy said, "No, that is not the point of my wishes. I wanted to show you with my wishes how lucky you already are." And so the woodcutter went home, and he looked at his wife and their little house, and he looked at the soup, and he realized that he should be happy already.
And done. I just finished my inventory. And did you enjoy Olivia's story? I have a quiz for you. How many wishes did they have? If you said 3, then you are correct. Now, once we've learned to count, we can also start to learn to add and subtract and multiply and divide. Those are some basic math lessons, but we'll do that lesson another time. For our last lesson, I've got the ultimate test for our older kids out there. Check out our sing-along song and count all the stars and sheep in our animated video. Let's check it out.
Sleep, baby, sleep. Thy father guards the sheep. Thy mother shakes the little trees. There falls down one little dream. Sleep, baby, sleep. Sleep, baby, sleep. The sheep move through the sky. The little stars are little lambs. The moon is the shepherd. Sleep, baby, sleep. Sleep, baby, sleep. I shall give you a sheep with one fine golden bell to ring, that shall be thy playmate today. Sleep, baby, sleep.
Kids, did you count the stars? And the sheep? How many stars did you see? If you said 11 stars, then you are right. And how about the sheep? How many did you count? If you said 10, then you are correct too. Good job, you get an A. Ha, I knew you can do it. So, another exercise. How about we do an inventory of your room? How many pencils do you have? How many pens? How many stuffed animals? How many books? I have my list right here, and it will compare. So, I hope you learn how to count today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Hi, guys!
Hi, kids!
We've got mail!
We have mail.
It looks like...
And we got a big package today. Look at
Yeah.
this.
Whoa, did somebody send us their whole hand?
Yeah, it's a whole hand.
Whoa, that's amazing.
Yeah.
They made a handprint.
I know.
Aw, that's wonderful.
And look,
Oh,
it's from Christina.
whoa. From?
I can't see the state. Can you look for the state?
From Washington.
From Washington.
From Washington.
Whoa.
Yay, hi, Christina.
Hi, Christina. Thank you so very much.
Yeah, it's kind of like she sent us a high five. Yeah, she's like, high five, guys.
High
Good
five.
job. Well, guess what? High five, Christina. Great job.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is really, really good.
It looks like a very big hand. Maybe you should try your hand
see.
in there.
Ooh,
Wow, you
yeah.
almost fit in it.
I like that. That's lovely.
Yeah, it is.
Whoa. Yeah.
Wow.
Me and Christina are very similar, maybe.
Yep.
Mhm.
This is very special.
Yeah, this is so good. Christina, I really like it. Big thumbs up.
Thank
Aw.
you so very much. Thanks for giving us a high
Yeah,
five. Wait. We'll give a high five back. 1, 2, 3.
High five! Woo!
I have blue hands now.
Ooh.
Oh, that's so cute.
That's fun. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
Do I have blue hands too? Ooh. Oh, you have bluer hands because
I
you're
have
holding
blue
it.
hands.
Maybe I can hold it. And can I hang it in my room? I don't have very much blue. Or do you want it in your room because it's blue?
Maybe we can put it in our family room so we both see it, because then we'll be like, high five.
High five. Yeah, it'll be like encouraging.
Yeah, every time that we enter, we have to give a high five to this.
Ooh, I like it. Yeah.
Right?
High five.
High five.
High five.
High five.
High five. Boom.
Yay.
Awesome. Yay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Stay inspired.
Yeah, stay inspired.
All right. Wow,
Nice.
that's a great one.
Yep.
Okay, kids, here's my inventory. I have 35 books, which you see up there. I have 2 cars. I have a helicopter, and 1 rocket, and 1 globe, and 3 stuffed animals over there. 1 lamp, 1 iPad. What else do I have? Oh no, I forgot so many things. I better get back right to it. Okay, bye!
Hi there, it's Mikey. If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us below. Thanks!